Poor airflow through vents can totally mess up your home comfort and crank up those energy bills real fast. So, here's the thing. Start by cleaning your air ducts and registers because dust and debris buildup can seriously slow things down. Next, check for any blockages like furniture or curtains that might be covering the vents, blocking the airflow, Also, don't forget about the blower motor inside your HVAC system. If it's not running right or making weird noises, that could be a big part of the problem. Changing your air filter regularly is super important too, because a clogged filter means less air gets pushed through. If you notice uneven airflow in different rooms, it might be time to balance your vents by adjusting them to get air where you need it most. Keeping your ductwork sealed tight helps stop leaks that waste air and energy. And if you want to get ahead of problems, scheduling a yearly HVAC tune-up keeps everything running smooth. Last but not least, make sure your outdoor unit is clear of leaves or grass so it can breathe easy and work better. One of the biggest mistakes people make with poor airflow through vents is ignoring dirty air filters, which causes the system to work harder and wear out faster. Fix this by swapping filters every 1 to 3 months, depending on use. Another common issue is blocked or closed vents, which messes up airflow balance. Just double check and open all vents fully and clear any obstructions. Third, many folks overlook leaks or disconnected ducts inside walls or attics, so sealing these with duct mastic or metal tape can seriously boost airflow and efficiency. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff. Contractors get a steady flow of work from people ready to fix or upgrade their homes without the usual hassle.